I've got a very special treat for you this week. I came across this magnificent fossil FS2884. I've never seen one before and never since.
We'll throw in a battery and see if she even fires up. If it's anything like the other architects I have, this battery's gonna do the trick.
Using a case wrench, let's loosen the posterior to gain access to the battery.
Cool, I think it is. Oh, actually the battery wasn't even in. It had somehow hopped out. Maybe this battery's still good. There, now it's in. Oh my gosh. It does work. I can hear it ticking. Well, let's see how much juice she has. So all you gotta do to get this battery out is there's this lever. Pop out the battery. This is a brand new battery, basically. Quite a few surface scratches. I don't know if it'll come out of that crystal though. Let's give it a shot. We'll start by using some medium to heavy compound here. Well, I'm wearing it now.
Instead of globbing it on our polishing pad, let's rub a small amount on the target surface.
Okay, let's try it that way. The ones in the crystal, there's a few prominent ones, and I just think they're too deep to end up getting out with this method. It's actually quite a bit messier, this thinner stuff.
Using our fine polishing compound and a buffing pad, let's really bring out that brilliance.
Certainly not showroom, but it's definitely wearable.
Now, while our polish did a fantastic job restoring the band, the deep scratches in our crystal were reluctant to come out.
That actually looks outstanding. But I think we can order a new crystal for this little bad boy.
I always favor not only the clarity of a sapphire crystal, but of course its exquisite scratch resistance. In order to remove the old mineral crystal, let's unlock the metallic band and move forward with removing the internals.
If you see it in the right light, you'll see it says push right here. That's to get this pin out. And what you have to do is push down right here while you pull the pin. After that, this whole piece should lift right off.
Using our sapphire press from Esslinger, the crystal will pop right out. I'll demonstrate how to measure the crystal. You'll need 3 values when ordering a domed crystal. The diameter,
23,
the crystal thickness at the very edge,
1.5,
and then the center or dome elevation.
and it does get out to 2 in the middle.
With the advent of eBay, sapphires are available in all shapes and sizes. Of note, take time when shopping around. Identical crystals can wildly vary in price from different vendors. Load up your sapphire and friction press it into place. Now we can put things back together. I have to say I'm very excited. Not only is this watch extremely rare, but it very well may be the only watch of its kind with a sapphire modification. That's awesome!
Yep, I can hear it. Wow.
Thanks for checking out my video. Let me know if you run across one of these rare Fossil Arkitekt watches. We'll see you next time.